Hello students, already we have made our first video. I think everyone have seen. See now, first poem 1.1, Walk a Little Slower Daddy. We are going to see now remaining two stanzas, stanza number 3 and 4. See now, here we are going to see in this poem, in third stanza, what the child is saying to his father. Already we have seen in first stanza and second stanza that the child is here expecting from his father as a role model or as an ideal person's role. What he wants, that he wants from his father, that his father should lead him in his whole life. Whatever the things his father is doing in his whole life, that everything should be done or should be followed by the child. The child wants that his father should give him a good guidance for his whole life, and for that he wants to follow his father. So his father, whatever he is doing, he wants to listen that, to understand that, and that's why he is requesting to his father that his father should do whatever the things slowly, gradually, because the child cannot understand immediately. He is so small that in the first line he has mentioned it. So he is requesting to his father that, Father, walk a little slower, Daddy, walk a little slower, because I am so small. In first and second stanza, he said that he want to follow, he tried to understand, he want to get whatever his father has done in his life, his whole life's principle and everything. So we can say that the child and his life means his parents. His father is in front of him always as a role model, as an ideal person, as a guideline. He can understand whatever the things his father is doing in his life, he also want to follow that. In third stanza he is saying that something different, that whenever he will grown up, he also will become a father in the future, and at that time he also want to follow, or he also want to guide to his own child. How? See now, third stanza, the lines are here in front of you. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. See now, what the child is going to say here in this third stanza, someday when I am all grown up, जेव्हा मी ग्रोन अप होईल, म्हणजे मी जेव्हा मोठा होईल, यू आर व्हॉट आय वॉन्ट टू बी, आणि तुम्हाला जे पाहिजे ते मी बनणार. देन आय विल हॅव अ लिटिल चाइल्ड who will want to follow me. So what you are today, I will follow you, I will try to understand, I will get it, and I will make the principles in my own life. I will follow that guideline, and I will become what you want today from me. But when I will grown up fully, at that time I will also have a child. In the future, when I will grown up, I will become a bigger one, or what we can say elder one, grown up completely. At that time I will also become a father, and I will also have a child like you today, and that my child will follow me just like I am following you. So for that, and I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Now in fourth stanza, what the child is saying, I would want to lead just right. So that's why whatever today I am going to do, I am going to lead you. And what the things I am going to taking from you, I am going to understand from you, I am getting from you, that should be right, and know that I was true. And if I could not understand, I will make it some mistakes, or I will make somewhere something wrong, which I don't want in my life. I should know myself that I was true in the future also. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So that's why again here the child is requesting his father, daddy, please walk a little slower, for I must follow you, because I want to follow you, and I want to understand that, I want to make myself clarify that whatever I am getting from you, as you are the leader and you are leading me, that everything should be right in the future. I should not repent for that, I should not get any type of regret for that, I should not think it was wrong, I should think, I should know that it was true in the future. That's why, daddy, please guide me slowly, I want to follow you, so walk a little slower, daddy, because I want to follow you. I also want to become like you, a good father in the future. Okay, author is unknown already, I told you. So walk a little slower, daddy. This is the poem, our 1.1 complete. Now it is completed, and author is unknown, it is mentioned. Okay, now you have to try to understand the rhyming words and rhyming scheme of this poem. So I will tell you what are the question answers, rhyming words and rhyming scheme of this whole poem. Okay, uh, of every and each stanza. So now here our poem is completed. You got it, I think so. If you have any problem, please you can call me on my personal mobile number. Okay, please subscribe this channel, because you should get the updates easily. Okay, goodbye.